this. This is the Mercedes GLC. It's the AMG line. It's the interior of the car. This is an SUV by Mercedes. The interior is really nice. Really simple and minimalistic display from Mercedes. Got some storage space over here. 2 cup holders, a charging vault, 12 volts. You can insert your CDs from here. Radio, media, and the navigation button as well. If you press this, the CD will come out. I really like the chrome vents over here. You just swivel it like this. Swivel these as well, so there's 3 of them. The infotainment system, it's the screen. It's not too big. I think it could have been a bit bigger. It's not a digital dash in this car. It's a manual. Mercedes logo. So you turn the car on using this button. You control the infotainment system using this dial, like this. It's really nice. Got some storage space in here. It's got SD slots, and you can even insert your USB as well. This is the 360 parking camera by Mercedes. You control the lights from here. Electric seats, make it go forward and backwards. Make it go backward as well. The seat memory settings over here, 1, 2 and 3. All electric windows by Mercedes. Nice finish. Got the SOS button over here. You can control the lights using this switch. Switch is on. Storage space here as well. You can keep sunglasses in here. The panoramic sunroof. It's really nice. It lets light in here. This is the passenger seat. It's really nice. It's got really beautiful leather quilted seats. And really good ample space for the passenger as well. Got speakers here. Really nice interior. Legroom over here. Turn the light on so I can see better. Passenger's got electric windows over here. The speakers. There's tinted windows. Just got the Mercedes E-Class on my side. Generally the interior of the car is really nice. Zoom in, zoom out. Passenger's got rear air vents over here as well. There's a chrome, same as the ones in front of you near the passenger. They're really nice. Got some storage space over here as well. Put some books. Really spacious over here. Really nice. Even the passenger's got a sunroof, the front and back. So it's really nice. It makes the interior really spacious and look big. Electric windows for this as well, for the other passenger.